Hello traders, hi, it's Friday the 16th of October, this is Trade Your Way. We are just focusing on gold. We have been bullish for the last 3 days, just been buying these dips on the daily, well, using the daily time frame, the daily charts as our anchor charts to just buy this up. So if we drill down to what is actually going on at the minute. So this is Friday, Thursday and Wednesday, so we had the sell-off at the start of the week and it's slowly been brought back up. So we started buying it on Wednesday morning, well Tuesday night in fact, during the Asian session. We got in at around 1892 and it spiked down and took us out, 40 pips stop loss, hit, it went down to about 80, 81, 82, so it retraced 61.8, which is these fibs here. Actually, let's highlight these fibs so you can actually see a bit clearer. See, there you go. Look, so it cuts right across, pretty much touched the 61.8. Let's put the values somewhere in the middle, or actually on the left, just so you can see what we're looking at. Fib, so we had a nice fib retracement off that 1921, which was the historical, well, it is the historical high that we've had for so long before breaking up. We had that made during the last recession, so well over 10 years now. Yeah, reacted off there, so you can see it's a current supply zone, current area of interest. Go down every time we come up to that area, we drop. We tried to break up above it at the start of the weekend, so it was hedged into the weekend, which made sense, hedging gold into the weekend with a lot of uncertainty going on in the world. And then it fell over, and Monday, Tuesday, everyone cashed in their money. Now I'm looking for it to be hedged once again into the weekend, so ideally 76.4 of this current range, which is my red line, and that's sitting at around 1921. So if we can get to about 1920, low 1920s, I'd be happy with that as a move. So been buying it. Every time it drops back, been buying it again. So 1890s and 1900 as our sort of base area to really scale in and start taking longs. So if I just drill down quickly, just want to show you in a little bit more detail. So zoom in. So 4 hour time frame, you can see there was the first pump of this range. We took our profit up here and then we left it, and then yesterday we looked to try and get in again, and we kept buying it in the low 90s, and we saw that 1890 was the support area. You can clearly see that, testing it over and over and over again. So we started buying that again into the US session and just took it up, and then held a couple of positions up until about 1906, 07, 08, looking for this retest of this area. And yeah, let's see where are the levels on this one. Not sure if you can see that. Let's put it in the center. Yeah, there we go. So you can actually see them now. And that's that there. There you go. So 1907. So we're busting up above that. So we're just long again at the minute, holding now, looking for about 1913 or so. Test the previous high. Ideally, all being well, be nice if we can get up higher. And then if we do break higher this afternoon with the US traders, just come up to the 76.4, take it up to about 1920. That would be nice. And just to show you, that is what we've been trading. So we've taken longs on this move and we're in on this. So they're currently sitting in profit. It's fluctuating, probably about 20-30 pips up at the moment. Yeah, just waiting really. We're going to use our stops just below sort of 1904, 1905, somewhere like that, because it could still nosedive, take everything out and then go back up later. If that's the case, we might explore the idea of going long again later on. But yeah, you can clearly see that we've got the EMA supports, the 200 EMA, the 50 EMA, the 21 EMA, the 8 EMA, they're all just sitting there crossing over. It's all managed to break up through and now using it as all support. We've got our daily pivot at around 1902. 1902 was actually a good place for us to buy. We bought it a few times over the last few days at about 1902 by the time we got in, so it was a key area. And yeah, just really holding and just watching and waiting. I'd like to see a little bit of a pump up test, pull back to previous structure, then off it goes. So that sort of play. But we'll see. That's what we're looking for, and that's what we're interested in. Alternatively, if it fails, like I say, you could see this going sideways. If it doesn't want to break this, just suck in a few bars, and it could just sell on them, stop them all out, and drop all the way back down into, well, below 1900, or at least come back and test 1900 before going up. So you don't know yet. Generally, gold's a good one to move with the US and US session. It's currently 9 o'clock, just gone 9 o'clock, 10 past 9 UK time. So it's still very early into the European session. So yeah, maybe just have to give this a little bit of time.